In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Twilio account. This process is straightforward, but it's essential to ensure each step is followed carefully to complete the cancellation without any hitches. We're here to walk you through it and make sure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll want to start by signing in to your Twilio account. Head over to consoletwilio.com and log in using your credentials. It's always a good idea to check that you have the right login details beforehand to avoid any unnecessary delays. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main console page where you can see an overview of your current projects and services. Next, navigate to the admin section. This can be found in the main menu. From there, click on Account Management, and then you'll see an option for General Settings. Sometimes, depending on your project's setup, you might see Project Settings instead. Either way works, so select the one you see. This section contains various options related to your account configuration, so it's important to proceed with caution to ensure you're adjusting the right settings. Scroll down to the very bottom of the General Settings page. Here, you'll find an option labeled Close Account or Close Project. The name may vary slightly based on whether you're managing a full account or just a project on Twilio. Click on that. It's designed to be clear and straightforward, but Twilio has put it at the bottom to ensure people don't click it unintentionally. Once you've clicked to close your account or project, Twilio will ask you to confirm this decision. This step is crucial because it verifies that you want to proceed with deleting all project data and settings. It's a good moment to double-check everything. Make sure there is nothing you wish to keep, as this action is irreversible. If your account is on a paid plan and you have a positive balance, there is no need to worry about any unused funds. Twilio has a policy in place to ensure you receive a refund for that remaining balance. Typically, once you confirm the cancellation, Twilio will initiate the refund process. Usually, this takes about 10 business days, so you can expect to see that refunded back to your original payment method shortly. And there you have it, the steps necessary to close your Twilio account or project. Remember, the process is designed with protection in mind, so ensure you're confident in your decision before proceeding. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel equipped to handle the cancellation smoothly without any issues. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.